What's up everybody, Justin here from Virtua Computers. Apple has created their own chip for the Mac for the first time ever. It's called the M1. Let's check it out. The new M1 chip is now available currently for the MacBook Air, the MacBook Pro 13-inch, and the Mac Mini. The new chip combines what used to be 4 separate chips on older machines, now creating a single system on a chip, or SoC. What's nice about this is that it combines the CPU, the GPU, the RAM, and Apple's own security enclave, which controls all of the security features inside of your new computer. Apple is pushing that the new M1 chip is actually almost 2 times faster than any PC chip that's out there. Now, something to think about is that when Apple moved from Motorola to Intel, the reason they did that was they were trying to get more power out of electrical consumption, and the Motorola chip back in the day couldn't do that. And now Apple has decided that Intel can't do that anymore, allowing them to invent their own chip, which is an amazing process in and of itself. Apple is saying that even at only 10 watts, both the CPU and GPU are almost 2 times faster, if not more, than the current generation of PC chips. Even with my actual Intel 2020 MacBook Pro, I only get maybe 2 to 3 hours on battery life. And with the new machines, Apple is saying that I can probably get anywhere between 17 to 20 hours on a full charge. That is insane. The power to usage ratio has dropped significantly, and the more power they put into these chips, the faster they are, which is why you don't see a processor speed listed on the Apple store when you go to buy these machines. All the machines come with an 8-core CPU, and all but the cheapest MacBook Air comes with an 8-core GPU. The cheapest MacBook Air coming with a 7-core, and that is all for all the machines. We're talking about the MacBook Air, the MacBook Pro, and the Mac Mini. So the question is, why the differences? Well, the MacBook Air has a 15 to 17 hour battery life, the MacBook Pro has a 17 to 20 hour battery life, and the Mac Mini you plug in, so it has unlimited battery life. What Apple has done here is they've taken the process of building the computer all the way to the inside, building the chip, now the board, they build the machines themselves, and they build the operating system in order to provide you a seamless experience. You know how much you like your iPad? It's that, but for a computer. Both the MacBook Air and Pro come with 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports that support USB 4, support for Wi-Fi 6, and unfortunately the same 720p FaceTime camera that was in the older machines, except they claim that the image quality is better. And one of the newest features, instant wake from sleep. The Mac Mini only has 2 Thunderbolt ports also, down from 4 on its Intel predecessor, but the new M1 Mac Mini can power Apple's 6K Pro display. But let's be honest, if you can spend $6,000 for an Apple Pro display, you're gonna spend more money than $699 on a Mac Mini. All the machines come with Apple's newest operating system, Big Sur, which we'll get into on another video. It's still too new really to see how well it works in production. So at Virtua, we're not telling clients to upgrade to it because there's a laundry list of things that do not work yet. And as time moves on, we will see those compatibilities become less and less, and then we'll push that out. But if you buy a new M1 machine, it's gonna come with Big Sur on it, so know that before you go out to the store and buy one of these machines. Now, I just bought myself a MacBook Pro M1 to play with. That's what we were unboxing in the beginning of this video, and let me be honest, I cannot wait to jump into this thing, test drive it, and see what it can do. I've already found a couple of software bugs, but that could just be on me. Your mileage may vary. I've heard rumors certain apps are working, certain apps aren't. So check it out. There's plenty of websites that have listings for this kind of stuff. Or email support@virtuacomputers.com. We'll let you know. That's what we're here for at Virtua Computers. So that's it for us. I'm gonna go play with this new machine now, and we'll see you guys soon. Subscribe and like, and tell us what you think about your new M1 machine.
Why are you gay?
How cool is that?